It's the new year, and that means lots of veggies and salads. But what about your salad dressing? Today, I have a dressing recipe that's going to keep your whole salad healthy. I'm Stacey Billis, and this is my creamy Cashew Green Goddess Dressing. So it's all great to eat tons of veggies and lots of salad, but you may not know that your salad dressing is actually maybe kind of unhealthy, especially if you're still buying store-bought. If you like very simple vinaigrettes, I have a recipe for you. It's my basic go-to. But today, I'm going to show you how to make a really rich and creamy dressing without using mayo or any of those other fatty ingredients. Our secret ingredient is raw cashews. For this recipe, you're going to need raw cashews. You're going to want to soak them overnight, or if you haven't planned ahead, you can cover them with boiling water for about 1 hour. Fresh lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, fresh basil, fresh tarragon, fresh cilantro, garlic, salt, and this part is optional. I like using a little bit of olive oil because I think a touch is healthy for you, but if you'd rather go oil-free, you can use water. You want to start by draining your cashews. Then you want to add them and everything else except the olive oil or water to a blender or a food processor and whip it all up. You want to start on low speed and crank it up as you go and just blend, blend, blend until it is totally pureed and nice and creamy. When you get to the point where it just stops blending, that's when you're going to want to drizzle in the oil or the water as the food processor or blender is running. And then just keep going until you get that perfect salad dressing consistency. That's it. There you go. A delicious, creamy, vegan, healthy, and maybe even oil-free dressing that's packed with flavor that you can put on your salads and honestly so much other stuff too. It's great on top of chicken, eggs, mixed into a tuna fish salad, whatever you can imagine, this tastes delicious with. If you like the sound of this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want more quick and easy healthy recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe. A new video comes out every week. Happy New Year!